So why do we as Muslims struggle sometimes when it comes to attaining the dunya? Where are we going wrong? That's something I'm going to go through this video. Now trust me, as someone who's been in this space for a while, I see the things that are going wrong. I see where we need to improve, and inshallah this video can be of benefit to you guys. Sometimes we're making the mistake of actually saying that achieving or attaining wealth is a bad or a negative thing, and that's actually far from the truth. In fact, some of the Sahaba, Abdurrahman ibn Auf and Uthman ibn Affan, may Allah be pleased with them both, were actually very wealthy. They had a lot of money. I'm not talking about just a little bit of millies. Abdurrahman ibn Auf was known to have massive caravans, and so much so that if today Abdurrahman ibn Auf's wealth was valued, it'd probably be worth over hundreds of billions of pounds. Abdurrahman ibn Auf, may Allah be pleased with him, was one of the 10 promised Jannah, the best of people. And so surely it can't be bad to attain or have wealth, but it's about where you spend it. So where are we going wrong? Firstly, and most importantly, we have to look at ourselves and we have to look at our religion. How close are we to our religion? Are we making dua to Allah? Are we doing what we should be doing as Muslims? Because you see, rizq, money, whatever you want to attain, it comes from Allah. You cannot have something without the permission of Allah Rabbul Izzah. And so the point here being is, you have to be making dua to Allah, asking Allah, say, Allah bless me. Why? Not so I can have crazy cars, amazing beautiful houses, but so I can give back to the Muslims. It's all about your intention. If your intention is to benefit the masses, then surely Allah will bless you with what you want. But obviously now that comes with an element of responsibility, and you have to be able to deal with that. You need to have good iman. You need to be making dua to Allah. You need to be helping those around you. And the other thing, you can't just have money and not give back, because we know that if you are giving back to the ones that need it, Allah will only bless you with more money. Allah will only bless you with more rizq. And so it's not about having more and more and more. Of course, you want to be in a situation where you're comfortable, you can look after your family, you can look after everyone, but you also need to be giving back. Even if you have £10, give £2. Even if you have £20, then give £4. But the point being is, give in charity, because charity, giving in it increases your wealth. This isn't coming from me. This isn't coming from Gary Vee or Grant Cardone. This is what Allah said. Allah told you, increase in your charity and Allah will increase your rizq. And I do want to talk about the fact that we need to also be helping each other. And that's something I don't think we do enough. I think a lot of the times we have a thing about, or a mindset, and generically speaking, we want ourselves to do well, we want to do well. We can't have it where someone else is doing better than us. But remember, there's billions of Muslims in the world. Whether they are on the deen or not the deen, I don't know. I have no metric to measure it. But the point being is, there's at least hundreds of millions of us Muslims. And therefore, if you can unite in doing something which is good, as in business, in support, if you just support each other just because of the fact that you are a Muslim, wallahi, Allah is going to bless your wealth, Allah is going to bless your business, and you are actually going to be able to powerfully achieve something just because you are supporting some random guy you don't know, because he says La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. And that, my brothers and sisters, is the most powerful thing you can ever have. The fact that you are united on La ilaha illallah, there is nothing that is better than that. So support each other because of that. Support each other when it comes to the business side. Support each other in terms of getting a job. Support each other regardless of anything. You don't know the man, but he says La ilaha illallah, you support him. And so this is my message to you. If we can unite on that, if we can help each other for that, if we can generically now say, you know what, we are just going to help. Guess who's going to help you? If your intention is to help someone on the simple fact that they are a Muslim and you don't want anything in return, and in return, who are you going to ask? You're going to ask Allah. And if you ask Allah in return and you say, Allah, I'm helping the Muslims, I'm trying to do what I can, can you help me? Can you? Allah is going to help you, because you're going to Allah. When you're helping the people, you're going to Allah, and Allah has no limit to what He can give you. So my brothers and sisters, you need to work hard, you need to have consistency. This channel is all about that, and I will always give you an idea and tell you exactly how to do what you need to do. But this video in particular is about correcting your intentions, going back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, correcting your deen, seeking ilm, doing that side, but also remember, support each other because of La ilaha illallah. Wa barakallahu feek. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.